Happy New Year! Here is me wishing you a prosperous 2021. I hope you've all had time to rest and recover from the year that was 2020. Amen. So, today I want to address a question that I get asked often, and it is this: my finances are so messed up. Where is the best place to start sorting things out? I think that is a good question. And now is an excellent time to answer it after this. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and this is the number one channel for simple money solutions. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you are notified. Stay to the end of this video because I have a little gift for you. Today's topic is good for the time of the year. It is a new year, a good time to press the reset button on our finances. The best place to start: see your finances as a journey that has a destination. Ask yourself, what ultimate result do I want from my finances? Financial goals are usually determined by your pressing needs. These needs could be short term, like maybe saving an emergency fund, paying off your debt, maybe fixing your credit rating, or all of the above. Or it could be long term needs, like maybe you want to save for retirement, or perhaps you want to put money aside for a business. So you may or may not know about SMART goals. Lesson 1: your goals must be SMART. SMART stands for specific. Your goal needs to be specific. So an example of a specific goal would be, I want to save £10,000 in 12 months. It is better than saying, I want to save money. The second letter is M, and this stands for measurable. Your goals must be quantifiable. When you save 10,000, you know you have 10,000. There's no ambiguity. You know you've saved 10,000. The next letter is A, and this stands for achievable. This means, do you have the resources that you need to accomplish your goal? Maybe skills, maybe support, things like that. And the next one is relevant. Your goal, would it improve your life? Is it relevant to your life? That is an important part, because people pursue goals that have nothing to do with improving their lives. And the final one is time bound. Every goal should have an expiry date. It's important to have an expiry date because it builds momentum for you. It builds motivation. When you're coming up to 12 months and you haven't accomplished your goal, you might start to adjust things just to make sure you accomplish your goals. So that is what SMART means. So I want to tell a personal story about me setting a goal when I was 20 years old. My goal was, by the time I'm 40, I'll be a millionaire. How smart was my goal? Specific. My goal was specific, £1,000,000. Measurable. I can measure a million, and if I have £1,000,000 in my savings account, I will know I have a million. Achievable. I was a student in university in Nigeria. I had not earned a single penny in my life. I didn't even know how to earn money. So I didn't have the resources to make even £5. It would have been more achievable for me if I knew how to make money. Perhaps my goal at that point was to learn how to make a smaller amount and build on that progress. So my goal was not achievable for me at that point. Next one, relevant. Everyone can do with money. I was suffering, I needed money, so if I had £1,000,000, it would definitely improve my life. So my goal was relevant to my life. The final one, time bound. I gave myself 20 years to make this goal come true. Now, it's possible to have a goal or to do this in 20 years. The problem is, it was 20 years, too many years. I soon relaxed because I thought to myself, I have so much time to make this happen. I totally forgot about it. And as you know, life took over. I forgot about this goal completely until 17 years later. At this time, I was a mom. I had a low pay job. I was in debt. I had no savings. Lesson 2. A lousy goal is better than no goal. I had 3 years to make my millions happen, and I set out to change things immediately. First thing I did was upskill. I went to school, I changed my job, I got a better job, and I started a few side hustles, and I started to work on paying off my debt and building up savings. I did not become a millionaire by 40, but the goal I had set, albeit a lousy goal, still motivated me to take action and change things. Lesson 3. Keep your goals simple. Don't overanalyze it. Don't overthink it. If you do that, what you might find is you build up this thing so much that you just end up not doing it. Just keep it simple. Lesson 4. It's better, especially if you're new, not to have too many goals. 3 is a good number, and it doesn't have to just be financial goals, but today we're talking finance specific. Lesson 5. Create milestones and daily habits that keep you on track. This was my mistake. If I had daily tasks that I did that moved me towards my goal, I would have accomplished that goal many times over. This is why now I have a system that I use, that I keep track of everything I do, and this keeps me aligned and focused towards my goal. I want to share this with you. It is a fillable worksheet that you can download to your computer, your tablet, or your phone. You can also print it and write in it. It is essential to keep this workshop in view and regularly update it. All you need to do is click on the download link in the description. So a quick recap on what we've learned today so far. Set smart goals. A bad goal is better than having no goal at all. So basically, set goals. Keep your goals clear and simple. The simpler, the more likely you are to accomplish them. Don't have too many, especially if you're new to this. 3 goals is plenty. See how you do with those. And finally, create milestones and daily habits that keep you aligned and focused to your goals. So, question of the day. What is the one area of finance that you want to see the most improvement on in 2021? Leave your comments below and I will respond to all of them. I hope you found today's topic helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to ask me anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.